This is Banua Tamben. Banua means house. Tamben means the wood stacking up. You can see below there the wood stacking up without using any nails. So this house is about 200-300 years ago. This is a bit shorter version. This is the original old Torajan traditional house. And behind me, owner of this house. No one stays in this house anymore. And the owner has built another new house beside this house. So everyone stay in the new house. So this is left as a display or anyone that wish to visit. We have a closer look on this house. It says here, Banua Tamben. In 1992, conservation work has been done by the Japanese Association. Let's have a look inside. So this is the house inside. This is the cooking area where they cook. So this is the place where they sleep, and behind this is where they sleep as well. You can see the roof. It's made of bamboo. Here as well. So we have a closer look. It's all spider webs, cobwebs. This area. And cooking area. So this place is really authentic, really very old. As I said previously, it's about 200-300 years ago. The owner itself doesn't know exactly how many years, because when he was born, this house is already here. They do not know exactly how old is this house, but this house is really authentic. So now we are having lunch. Pork. Below this Alang.